Stable Diffusion 3 is finally here. Let's go straight to the effect. First of all, there is the ability to render the text correctly. Look at the chalk writing on the blackboard, and the text on the street signs and bus signs. There is also a good night on the cloth. Secondly, the multi-topic prompting ability is greatly improved. If you look closely at the image, there are astronauts, Piggy in a tutu, pink umbrella, Robin in top hat, and Stable Diffusion in the corner. By the way, that is not a watermark. With this ability, you can enrich the image as much as you want. Finally, the image quality has evolved once again. Look at the details of this ultra-clear close-ups. And multiple art styles can also be generated. Some users have compared it with Midjourney and DALL-E 3. To be honest, the new SD3 performs even better than the other two. However, we can't actually use it right now. If you want to use it, you can join the waitlist and wait for the team to give you access to SD3. The official waitlist link is put in the description, don't forget to check it out. There are also useful AI tools to upscale AI images to 32K ultra-high resolution in my other videos. Feel free to explore them if you like. Alright, that's the share for today. If this video helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.